We're drawing a new map for our brain, which will help us to act in alignment with our own inner wisdom. And now, see, I go and connect these intersections wherever I have created one. So we want them round and create this harmony, this circle shaped connections, to let the energy be like freely flowing everywhere. You can think of all these lines as energy flows, energy routes, and let it flow. Can you remember a trouble you created for yourself because you said yes to something which is not in alignment with you, which you actually knew from a first second, and then you try to convince yourself doing that? I bet you do. How is it going? What is your mind? How's your mind reacting on these lines? What does it say? Listen to that. You can write down what your mind is saying while you're drawing. You can stop the video to hear what I'm saying and listen to your own advice, which you are channeling while drawing. Your own inner wisdom is coming through while drawing. There will be thoughts coming up, there will be ideas, there will be memories coming up, and all this is relevant information for you at this moment. Like drawing Neurographica is very strongly channeling your own knowledge, which is usually hidden and covered like by the mind, and it's like somewhere stored in the subconscious. But while we're drawing, we get access to that. And we also see that we have all the knowledge in us. Don't have to ask for advice for others. We have to become quiet and listen to our own knowledge. Become quiet and listen. Switch off your phone. Lay on the ground. Close your eyes. Listen.